What?
Tell me what's wrong.
Caleb is saying the wrong name.
He's saying the wrong name?
Yeah, he's saying, hey, Haley, and it's Haley. So, I'll probably be on camera on computer. If people want to see me, I can be on video.
Yes,
And I actually love Mommy. She's my queen. And I actually love Daddy. He is my king. The end.
Why do you want to be on video on the computer?
I'm saying I want to be on the video and the camera and the computer.
I know, why?
That's because I'm beautiful.
But he's got the best awareness.
Oh, yeah?
The end.
But why were you upset at Caleb?
That's because I was going to tell you.
I know, I want to know. Tell me now. Why were you upset with Caleb?
That's because he was saying the wrong name.
He was saying Haley. He knows what your name is.
Haley. And I heard him say Haley. I heard him say Haley. I mean, Haley. He said Haley. Not Haley, Haley.
Well, what's the difference?
Haley. He said Haley. First he said Hale, then Lee.
Is that bad?
Mhm.
Why?
That's because it's not nice.
Why?
That means you can't call your friend's name.
Well, he was trying to say your name.
But he can't say Haley. Hey, then Lee. Not Haley. Not like Haley. Lee sound the same. Hill. I mean, hey and Hill not sound the same. Hey, Lee. Hill, Lee. The end. Can we see it?
No.
What?
So what do you think you should do? How can we fix this?
Talk to him.
Yeah, I think that might be right.
Can we watch it now?
I think you are a video monster. That's what I think.
Yeah, I am. Please, can we watch it? Please.